Hey yo, one time for the one time. Hey look, a lot of people been asking me, and I feel like transparency is the best policy when you're trying to show your people something. So I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all with me on this journey as I build up my portfolio. Some people might be like, bro, but you telling them about the money you got. Hey, listen, don't worry about that. All right. Clearly, it says is investing. All right. If you're gonna invest a certain amount, you better have that amount plus more sitting somewhere just in case. But I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna show you my portfolio right now, and the stocks that I'm buying, and the stocks that I'm looking at, and how it's going. Um, this is something new, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm starting to get addicted to this shit because I just like to see. I like to play with money, right? It is what it is, right? That's where I come from. That's what I know. So I like playing with money. So now, since we're doing new things, playing with money, we playing it digitally in a different way, legally, and it just feels good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I check my stocks maybe like 2-3 times a day just to see what's going up, just to think about what I'm gonna buy next, and read up on different stocks and moves and Motley Fool and all of that. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put you up on all of that, and this is gonna be a new thing that I do. I don't know what day that I'm gonna do it. Maybe like once a day. Stock talk. Just to, just enlighten my people, because sometimes you gotta hear those that speak like you, look like you, just to see that it's something that you can do. All right, and I don't see nobody on there like me that's doing it, and this is the new thing that we're gonna do. So let's go from the top though. All right, and the videos ain't gonna be long though. I'm gonna keep them short. We don't gotta stretch it out because no need for all that. All right, so we're gonna see the top right here. You know what I'm talking about? Marathon Oil. I invested in this a long time ago, but I got one stock for free. Right, when I refer somebody, I got a stock for free. I get a stock for free, and you get a stock for free. So if you ain't got the link yet, let me know. I'll send it to you. Matter of fact, I might put it in the description box so you can go ahead and check it out and see what it do. All right. Just a quick breakdown. Clearly, I own 13 shares. The average cost that's for the stock, 417. That's how much I paid. Average price. And you can see today I made almost $4, up 5.62%. Total return almost $20, so almost made $20 off of that. Dividend yield, right? This right here, dividend yield. That's important that you want to pay attention to when you invest in the stock, because that's pretty much money for free just for owning the stock. All right, that's exactly what it is. All right, so sometimes you want to invest in stocks that got dividend yield, so you can get some money on your money, then invest that money back. You know what they call that? Compound interest, right? Compound interest, that's what we own. Yeah, so let's pay attention to that, dividend yield. But not all companies pay dividend yield right now because they're trying to figure it out. They're trying to get their money up as well. So not everybody paying that. And I invested in plenty of stocks that's not paying that, so it is what it is. All right, and when you're looking at stocks, they'll tell you 28 analyst ratings, right? So you can go ahead and read what they're saying. Bulls, bears. Quick breakdown on that. When you hear a bull market, that means that it's going up, all right? It's going up, you should invest. You should invest, or a bear market. Some say you should invest in the bear market when stocks is dropping, right? So it's up to you how you want to do it. You will want to buy your stocks for less than more. You know what I'm talking about? Less than more. But in a bull market, that lets you know that moves are being made. And the bulls say, as you can see, you can read it, y'all can read it, I ain't gonna read it for you. You see what it do, all right? And then they'll tell you what the bears are saying. The bear market means the stock is going down, it's dropping, or why you shouldn't invest in this stock. It's telling you that, right? But at the same time, you gotta use your own gut. You gotta go with your own gut. They can't tell you everything. And then they tell you the history, your market buy, how much I bought it for. At first, I bought 8 shares for $374. You see that? And then I went back and I bought 4 more, and it went up at 607. You know what I'm talking about? Actually, I bought that on the 18th. I bought that on the 18th, 607, right? And it dropped again. 564. So that's how I go. You know what I'm saying? You're going to buy stocks and they're going to drop. It is what it is. All right, let me see some other stocks that I'm kind of highly big on. Live Nation. Live Nation, y'all know what that is. If y'all don't know, that's a touring company, right? That's where they do the shows and everything like that. Corona got it on shutdown, so there ain't no shows going on, right? But I believe, as you should too, that at a point in time, we're going to get back to it, and people are itching to get back to see their favorite artists, and things like that. And Live Nation, the biggest concert promoter in the world, right? Ain't no way this ain't gonna go up. And what you can do is look at the, you can look at the map. I call it the map, but it's a chart. You can look at the chart, and then you can go ahead and see what it look like. 5 years, just look at the growth. You know what I'm talking about? Let's look at the growth. The lowest they've been, you know, goes up and down, and then, but gradually been on a climb. You see what I'm talking about? Just go ahead and slide it up. They've been on the climb. They've been doing good. When they was at their peak, where they was at? 75, 70. You know what I'm talking about? They was doing good, but then look at the crazy drop. Y'all know what happened in March. We ain't got to talk about it. You already know what happened in March. The Roni hit and got crazy. All right? But you want to pick stocks and use your gut on what you think, and think for yourself, right? Don't listen to me. I am no way a tax professional, as y'all know. I might have to put that disclaimer in there. Not tax, stock professional. I'm not giving any advice. I ain't doing none of that. I'm just sharing my experience with y'all, all right? Royal Caribbean, y'all know what that is? If y'all don't know, that's a cruise line. I invested some money in a cruise line. Look at how much money I made today, you know what I mean? There's $15.84, all right? Total return, $90. I got 6 shares in that. We're going to drop some more on that. And when I bought it, though, I'll show you what it would look like when I bought it. I bought it at first. It was at $31.50. I had people tell me, nah, don't buy that, bro. It's going to be a wrap. It's going to be a wrap. It ain't going to go up no time soon. Me not listening to myself, I should have dumped the bag on it. Because what happened? I had to go back and buy 4 more at 43. You know what I'm talking about? I could have just went and bought all of them at 31. That's why you got to go with your gut. Don't listen to people. Do your own thing. Because don't nobody know, all right? Don't nobody know. So I'm sitting here telling you this. I don't know. All right? The person that's going to be in my comment section, they're going to be like, nah, you should do this and that. They don't know. You heard? So just go with your own go with your own feel, go with your own vibe, and then you'll be all right. Make your own decisions, because at the end of the day, it's your money. All right? Take Two. What this is, I told you about this before. Take Two is the developers of NBA 2K. They're going to skyrocket. You better believe that. But as you can see, all my stocks, I'm making money off of everything, bro. Except for a few. I'm going to tell you about the one that I'm losing on. But today I lost 35 cents. But total return, $66. So you're making money on your money for no reason. All right, this is how the stock market work, bro. Because right now you sitting there, you got about 10 bands in your Jordan box. I know what you're talking about, right? 10 bands, and you ain't doing nothing with it. So what you might as well do, you might as well go ahead and open up a little account. You know, Robinhood, open it up and put the link in the description. Use that link, get you going. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna show you where I'm losing. I know you'll be like, yo, KayBee, but you keep showing that you winning. Clearly you can see the colors, but let me dive in on this one. On this one, I might have jumped the gun on this one, right? Evo Fem. What this is, it's a contraceptive for women. It's a way to protect pregnancy, as you know, contraceptive, that's what it is. But it's a new form that was just finally approved by the FDA. To make a short story shorter, it's a gel that they use, and it's supposed to prevent pregnancy. But right now, as you can see, total return, I'm down to 174. I jumped the gun. You see, when I bought it, it was at 687. Right? That was the average cost. I bought 100 shares. You see your boy dropped the bag on it. You know what I'm talking about? I was like, yeah, we gonna get some money. But this right here is a slow grind. Alright? This is a slow grind. Alright, this is like you selling knickknacks. Oh yeah, you know you ain't making no money heavily, but in due time, them $5 gonna add up. This is what this is, alright? So you're gonna drop a bag on this and you don't pay no mind, just let it do what it do. Alright? That's what that is. Yeah, I lost $33 today. And then you can read up on it. And I'm going to show you about the other app that I use to read up on the stocks. But this right here, this is the one that has the most shares in right now, 100. But it's all good. I ain't tripping off that. You know, let it do. Let it sit there. It's all good. If you take a loss, you take a loss. And these are other stocks that I got for free. And they also show you about the cryptocurrencies, bitcoins, and things like that. I had some money in that, but I took it out because I used it on something. But if I had left it in there, I would have been up. But when I had some money in there, it was at like 9,000 or something like that, but now it's up. So it is what it is. And this is my watch list, right? These are the stocks that I'm watching. Yeah, these are what I'm watching. And just keeping an eye on to see where I'm going to dive in at. Zoom, I'm mad I didn't buy Zoom because when I started this, which was in March, I only been doing it since March. And you see the portfolio growing. I ain't put 5 bands in it. But it grew up to that. All right, it grew up to that. Zoom, I was looking at Zoom, but when I was looking at Zoom, hold up, 3 months ago, where was that? I was looking at look at that, $100. This is when I actually started investing. It was like around here, like 108, you know what I mean? Something like that. But now look at that, doubled up. You know what I'm talking about? In 3 months, they doubled up. What is Zoom? You know, everybody at home doing work, right? Everybody working from home, so that's what Zoom is. But let me give you a little insider for the one time. This right here, work, is not like Zoom, but it kind of is like Zoom, right? It's a work from home type of situation where you could work with your employers, employees, your co-workers. Y'all can video chat, y'all can send emails. It's like a chat room for people that work, pretty much, that have an office job. And when I bought it, see how much I'm up. This is the stock that got me up the most right now. 22 shares I bought at one time for $27.99, and look at that. The boy is up $220. Like, damn, you made $220 off of just your money? Yeah, that's how it works, bro. This is what they didn't want to tell us, right? This is what they kept to themselves, or this is was us being ignorant to the fact of this is how it go, because we want our money now. We want instant gratification now. I understand that, but in the way the world works, you want that slow grind, bro. Just let your money do what it do. All right, just let your money do what it do. The analyst saying 52% saying buy it, 35% saying hold it. I'm with the hold and buy. Selling it, 30% sell it. I ain't selling this. Nah, I see this being like Zoom in a few years. You heard? Well, I bought it at 2 different times. On April 27th, I bought 20 shares for $27. See how low it was? And then on May 18th, I went back and I bought another 2 at $30.99. Right, so that got me up at 22 shares. But I'm gonna drop another bag on this probably this weekend or another weekend. It depends. But this is how we doing it, man. This is how we doing it. That's pretty much a rundown of how it goes. That's how much your boy got invested right now. Transparency, it is what it is. I'm gonna show you how it goes, because I do know that people gonna fall in line. Right? Look at that cryptocurrency going up again. Damn, that shit just jumped to up $100. But yeah, that's how it goes, bro. Go ahead. The link is in the description, and start investing, bro. Might as well, because that money just sitting there. Just let your money work from you. I ain't take a loss yet. Oh yeah, let's do this then. Look at this is the chart of me investing. It says for 4,500, but I ain't really put 4,500 in it off GP. I started with 1,500, then I dropped another band, then another band, then another band like that. And this is how much I'm up since I did that. I'm up $526. Like, damn, that ain't nothing, bro. What you mean that ain't nothing? What you mean that ain't nothing? That's 11%, almost 12% for nothing, though. That's the point that you got to pay attention to. This is you making money on your money for nothing, all right? That's what you need. That's zero overhead you putting up, and you making money on your money. That's the way to go, bro. I'm gonna let y'all know that's how it is, and I'm gonna keep doing these videos. This is the first one. Obviously, it's a little choppy. It is what it is. The camera might look shaky. But we're gonna work it out, because I know this is the stepping stone that people need, because I've been getting a lot of messages saying, yo, we need that. Send that link. We need that. So here it is. You heard? Here it is. But listen, subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna switch the channel up. We doing all type of informative things. A lot of transparency gonna be happening, because I see that's what people like, and we're gonna make the channel grow with that. But this is how we looking right now. I'm gonna do these videos maybe once a week. Maybe that might be too frequent. But we'll see how it go. But look for these videos, subscribe to the channel. If you're not, you'll be missing out. I'm gonna holla at y'all. You did.